Hi guys, welcome to Harangi Elephant Camp in Coorg. I'm here by the Harangi Dam.
You have to walk a lot towards the camp.
And no kidding, the vibe is super chill. Mini hike time. From the main gate is about a 1 kilometer walk to the backwaters of the elephant area.
తరచుగా మూసితివి కన్నీలతో దుఃఖించిన కౌగిలిలో దాచితివి మూయుటకు కారణం నీ ముక్కునికి తెలిసిన
Elephants here come morning and late afternoon. Are prime time. Elephants splashing, snacking, slow-mo strolling like celebs on a natural run. Karnataka is India's largest elephant population. Places like Harangi are a part of border effort to protect them. Reduce conflict and people. Every mindful visit supports conservation.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತವೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಿಸಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಥವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಥವು ಯಾವುದು ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಂಥವು ಮಾತ್ರ.
This isn't a circus, it's a working forest. Watch from a respectful distance. Skip loud calls and flashes. Feeding is allowed that follow the staff's instructions.
ಇದು ஹாப்பியா சர்ப்ரைஸாக இருக்கா?
తండ్రులెవరైనను చేపనడిగితే పాముడిచ్చిన తండ్రి
From the dam breeze to the elephant splashes, Harangi is a happy place. Thanks for walking the 31 trip. If you had fun, like the video, comment your favorite moment and subscribe. More easy trips, less stress. See you soon.